Welcome to Edufrienz, where learning meets creativity and innovation. With over 1,400 resources, Edufrienz 99 empowers children through character development and academic growth. We bridge the gap in global learning portals by prioritizing character education and well-being. Discover diverse products built for classroom and home success. Edufrienz 99 delivers both academic foundations, like math, science and reading, STEM, and essential character education. Our ready-to-use SEL lesson plans, videos, worksheets, and interactive games help parents and teachers raise confident, value-driven kids. Seamlessly integrate character education into your daily lessons. Edufrienz 99 provides flexible curricula tailored to every child's age and developmental needs. Focus exactly on what you need, from preschool foundations, mental health and core SEL, to life skills and good behavior. To make learning truly enjoyable, we feature special characters as learning guides. Meet Lumi Frienz for early learners ages 3 to 6, and Spark Frienz for ages 7 to 9. They seamlessly connect young minds to essential emotional lessons and positive behaviors. Growth never stops at Edufrienz 99. Through strategic partnerships, we continually elevate our content quality and innovation. This allows us to bring you forward-thinking resources like our new AI and executive functioning curricula. Our progressive growth brings powerful AI features directly to your classroom or home. We are leading innovation by introducing smart content recommendations tailored to each child's needs. From personalized student assessments to AI learning companions and automated teacher assistants, we are shaping the future of character education. Follow our social media channels for daily inspiration, tips, and resources to support your teaching and parenting journey. Choose Edufrienz as your child's digital lifestyle brand and let them begin an enriching developmental journey.